Hello and welcome to this lesson where we're going to begin to use integer variables and do very basic arithmetic with them. And by arithmetic, I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And I'm trying to outline here what the different symbols are. They're very simple. To add things together, you use a plus sign. To subtract them, you use a minus sign, which is the key just to the left of your equal sign on the keyboard. Multiplication is an asterisk, and division is a forward slanted slash. So this is not a backslash, this is a regular slash. So these are going to be the operators we're going to use. There are other operators in Java that you may have occasion to use, but by far, add, subtract, multiply, divide are the ones you're going to use all the time. So in order to illustrate how to deal with that, first let's initialize or declare several variables. So let's call one variable num1 for number 1, and let's actually make these integers num1, num2, num3, num4, and we'll put a semicolon. Now I could have put all 4 of these variables on separate lines, so int num1, semicolon, int num2, semicolon, and so on. It's just a different style. I'm going to do it this way, and you can do it the other way. It's totally fine either way. So here I have 4 integers, and as we said before, integers represent whole numbers. That's really all they can store, so negative and positive whole numbers. So for now, let's assign to num1 the value of 10. Let's assign to num2 the value of 3. To number 3, let's assign the value of 5. And to number 4, let's assign the value of 2. Now, if you forget a semicolon in this case, you see Eclipse is trying to warn you that you have a problem here. But if you try to run this guy, it's going to tell you there's an error here. And so that's what you need to kind of be aware of. Semicolons pretty much go after almost anything. You don't put them after the methods.